best overtakes of the season.
Yeah.
One of the best overtakes of the
लेकिन
season.
guys,
अब
have
वही
you
चीज है
noticed
ना.
one more thing कि जितना भी hate लॉन्स स्ट्रॉल को मिलता है, every single time in a wet race he like proves himself. I don't know
Yes.
why. Number of occasions इस season में Lance Stroll has actually proved that he knows how to drive the car. The car is shit. Alonso is
Mm-hmm.
unable to drive the car. If Alonso is unable to drive the car is shit. And no matter what, Lance Stroll has tried his best to take something out of it. इवन इन
Exactly.
मोनाको में आपने उसका अंडरग्राउंड टनल के बाद उस जगह पे लाइक आई थिंक लुइस हैमिल्टन जैसे कैटेगरी के ड्राइवर जो होते हैं वो उधर ओवरटेक नहीं करना पसंद करते, लेकिन लॉन्स
उसका
स्ट्रोल
overtake
ने
दिखाया भी नहीं था.
उधर भी
उसका ओवरटेक
ओवरटेक.
दिखाया नहीं. नहीं किया दिखाया ही नहीं. उसका ओवरटेक बिल्कुल ही कंप्लीट मिस कर दिया था सबने. देखा नहीं
यस,
था किसी ने.
लेकिन वो बाद में रिकॉर्डिंग लोगों ने दिखाई कि
हाँ.
उधर भी उसको
हाँ.
ओवरटेक किया.
हाँ.
उसका
और
ओवरटेक उधर भी दिखाया. आई
that
डोंट नो
was
व्हाई
one of the
दिखाया.
best overtakes of the season.
या
One of the best overtakes of the season.
एग्जैक्टली
अब वही चीज
वो
है ना कि
ओवरटेक वन ऑफ द मोस्ट लाइक जिधर आपको गाड़ी बहुत ध्यान से चलानी होती है वो वाला ओवरटेक था और उससे दिखाया. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट गाड़ी वाज शिट जिस तरह.
and one more thing इसमें ऐड करूंगा. The car was really bad. And he is always unserious about driving. If he is serious about driving, he gets somewhere. Might be. But
He was the most unserious driver over there.
yes, exactly. Like because he knows, even if he performs bad, his bloody father is the owner of the company. So isn't going anywhere. He knows that. And because of that reason, he just unseriously being there. Okay, I am driving. I'm gonna keep the streak of not giving a damn about anything. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna complete the weekend, and I'm just gonna have a break or have a drink or something. That is his main mantra about racing right now. But during his proving days back in Williams, I think it was Baku 2017 when he got the podium. I think it was Baku 2017 when he got his Williams podium. I think it was ahead of Bottas. Bottas got the P2 from him from at the last. It was almost a drag race at that point. So I think it was that race maybe. So he drove very well that time.